A Hurst woman says she was seriously injured during an arrest. This happened after a traffic stop in January. Hurst police released camera video of the incident last week. It shows an officer giving a citation to Tanisha Thompson, who throws the citation out of the window. He then pulls her out of the vehicle and arrests her. Police say an internal affairs investigation revealed no wrongdoing. Thompson has hired an attorney, well-known attorney Lee Merritt, who gave a news conference about the arrest this afternoon and attended today's City Council meeting. Fox 4's David Sentendrey is in Hurst tonight with more. David.
And that body camera footage highlights the tense interaction as the woman takes her speeding ticket, crumples it up and throws it out the window right in front of that police officer.
This is why you're getting stopped. You were just driving through a school zone going 40. It's a 25 through there. Do you have your driver's license, proof of insurance with you today?
A Hurst Police Department corporal chats with Tanisha Thompson.
Where y'all heading to this afternoon?
Home.
Coming from?
Why?
Just a question.
None of your business.
I'm sorry?
It's none of your business.
Oh, okay.
Thompson, who has her child in the front passenger seat, does not appear to be willing to chat with the corporal, who's investigating her for allegedly speeding in a school zone. This all happened back on January 16th. The corporal continues to ask questions.
Any reason for the hurry this afternoon?
I wasn't in a hurry. I didn't even see a school zone.
There was a flashing signal as you were driving through.
The corporal heads to his police vehicle, returning minutes later with a traffic citation.
Okay, Tanisha, you'll be receiving a citation today for the speed. I just need to get a signature from you. This is not an admission of guilt.
I'm not.
It's a promise. You're not going to sign it?
No, I'm not.
That's fine. I'll just put refused.
The encounter further escalates as you see Thompson throw the ticket back at the officer.
All right, here's your copy of the citation. As far as the bills, you don't want to take it? Well, it's going to take it because it's your citation. That's your citation. That's littering. Step out of the car. Step out.
I'm not.
Step out. Step out.
Get your hand off me. Get your hand off me. I will step out on the supervisor.
I am the supervisor. Ma'am.
Get your hand off me.
Tanisha.
Get your hand off me.
I'm not letting go.
The corporal tries to place Thompson under arrest for nearly 3 minutes, finally doing so once backup arrives.
Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over.
How am I going to roll over on me?
Roll over. Lower to the left. Pull your hand up.
I had simply tossed a ticket.
Thompson read a statement in front of reporters Tuesday evening before sharing her story with Hurst City Council. Her attorney, Lee Merritt, answered questions. Would you recommend to clients moving forward that they should not crinkle up a traffic ticket and throw it out the window?
I tell my clients, I tell the public in general, it's not best to litigate a case on the side of the road. If you're upset about a police encounter, hold your peace, hire an attorney, file a complaint with the police department later. I let the public know, just because this is the law, that you actually have every right to be rude to law enforcement. Not best practice, but you have every right to be rude.
Merritt is debating filing a federal civil rights lawsuit. Hurst PD is standing by its officer.
Corporal Morgan acted in full accordance with the law and with our department's policies, and the department stands firmly behind his actions.
So tonight I spoke with criminologist Alex Del Carmen, and he analyzed that body camera footage, and based upon what he has seen, he believes the officer's actions were lawful. We will be posting his full quote over on our website. That's fox4news.com.